Hi, my loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Verazri, and I'm so happy that you're here. Come spend this soft, cozy evening with me. We are taking a warm shower, getting into comfy clothes, making a comforting dinner, and slowly winding down together after a long day. Relax and chill as we go through with this. Let's start by washing the day off because it's evening and we need to smell good before we cook. And today you're gonna see main character of this video, the meal. So chill, relax, and wait. It's time to slip into the comfy clothes because we have to get comfy. We are slowing down the evening. It's time to make that my special meal. Huh? Good meal, good food, feel good meal. So let's get into it. So today I'm making mashed potatoes served with chicken and salad that it's not way too complicated. If you people want a recipe for this, leave a comment down below. Let me know if I should make a recipe for this because it was slapping. I forgot. I also added a mango in it. So also chilling here with really. Then it's time to say hi to my baby boo. It's evening. Where are you? What are you doing? How is it going? Anyways, such is life. Then we go to my IG and I was sipping something. It's not what you're thinking. It's not what you're thinking. I just had to sip something because why not? For digestion. Cooking while tipsy, it's on another level. finally serving and sitting down to enjoy my meal and ending the day feeling grateful, relaxed, and peaceful. So this is the meal. Any comments? What would you say about this meal? Is it giving? Is it not giving? That's it for today. Until next time. Bye bye.